Manifest your dreams into reality. Get anything you want. Tap into your own personal wishing tree. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking the bell icon. We are here for you 5 days a week. High flyers, when your mind is in harmony with your desires. In other words, you've got your desires over here, you got your mind over here. When the two of them are in perfect alignment, then everything becomes free-flowing. You become confident and absolutely certain. And your mind and your energy field becomes brilliant. We've all met people like that. That have walked into a room and it's like somebody turned on the light bulb. They are brilliant. This is called the manifesting mind. Your mind is in perfect harmony. There's no conflict. There's no argument within the mind. Everything is working in perfect harmony to manifest what you desire. Now, we know that 92% of your mind is subconscious, below the surface, and 8%, our conscious mind, is above the surface. We come up with desires in our conscious mind, but if they don't match the beliefs, possibilities, and potential in the subconscious mind, then we're at conflict. We're in inner conflict, and that causes us to not manifest what we desire. So high flyers, when your mind is in harmony, your subconscious mind, your conscious mind, and every part of your life is in harmony with the things that you want and desire, when there's a sense of congruence, you have unlocked the wishing tree within you. The wishing tree allows you to literally manifest whatever you desire with very little effort, if any at all. It's as if you can go out in the backyard and literally pick a gold apple anytime you desire off your own wishing tree. High flyers, when nothing else works, use this technique. You know, the difference between an ordinary mind or an ordinary person trying. I love that word trying because that's what they say. They say, I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do that, which means that they're really not doing it at all. When you start using language like trying, you're really not manifesting at all. But a manifesting mind, someone that has unlocked their own personal wishing tree, is fully functioning. The subconscious mind, the conscious mind are in perfect harmony. Thoughts, feelings, vibrations, actions, everything is working in unison. All is in perfect harmony. And when you're in perfect harmony, high flyers, with what you desire, you have literally tapped into the mind of God. Because the mind of God is always in a state of perfect harmony. There's never any conflict in the mind of God. In the mind of God, there's never any, I wonder if I can create this planet. I wonder if I can do this. I wonder if that'll happen. I should try to do this. That doesn't happen in the mind of God, high flyers. And so when you put yourself in that perfect harmony, that perfect congruence on all 5 dimensions, you are locked in to the mind of God. And so high flyers, I think it's important to make a checklist and go through that checklist and make certain that every part of you is functioning and working and operating in the same direction. The direction of your dreams, the direction of your desires, and the direction of your goals. So first, we want to make sure that our mind, thoughts, and emotions All three, the first three dimensions, mind, thought, emotions, are all focused in the same direction. Then we want to make certain that our physical body is also focused in the same direction. And finally, we want to make certain that the fifth dimension is activated, and that is spiritual connection with the mind of God. That's what unlocks the wishing tree within you. That's what unlocks your unlimited power and potential to manifest anything you desire. Now, high flyers, when all 5 dimensions of your reality are working in perfect harmony, anything you wish for, anything you desire will happen automatically and effortlessly. Automatically and effortlessly. Now, action adds fuel, but you've tapped into your personal wishing tree. And so the only action that you're taking is to make certain that all 5 dimensions of who you are pointing in the same direction. That's the only action you need to take. Once you've done that, manifestation happens effortlessly. Now, the problem with some people is that they're constantly changing directions. Do I really want a relationship? No, I'm not sure. Yes, I do want a relationship. I don't know if I want a relationship. And then they have doubts. Well, maybe that house is too big. Maybe I can't afford that house. Maybe I should settle for a smaller house. Maybe I should not apply for that job because I'm underqualified. Maybe I shouldn't apply for that job because I'm overqualified. Maybe I'm too tall. Maybe I'm too short. Maybe I'm too fat. Maybe I'm the wrong color. I'm the wrong sex. It goes on and on. Your doubts and fears have your dimensions, have the parts of you going in every which way, every direction, and the result is you manifest what you do not desire. So high flyers, the first thing I would say is be responsible. Responsible means response, able. You are able to respond when you have all 5 of your dimensions working in harmony. And ask yourself this question. Do I really desire a relationship with this person? Do I really desire a promotion at work? Do I really deeply desire to move into a bigger house? Because everything that you desire has the potential of a caveat, has the potential of a counter intention. And you need to deal with those counter intentions before you activate that intention in your life, before you go out and open up the back door and pick that apple from the wishing tree. Make certain that every part of you, every part of who you are, every part of your reality is in harmony with what you deeply desire. And if you're not in harmony with it, maybe there's a chance that you really don't want it bad enough, that it's not something you really want to put your time and energy into. So high flyers, the very moment that you say, I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible. I don't think I can do that. I don't think it will work. I don't think it's going to happen. The moment you say that, what you are saying to the infinite field of potential, what you're saying to the universe, and what you're saying to yourself is, I don't want it. I don't want it. Because your mind, your thoughts and emotions, your physical body and your spiritual body in connection with spirit are all pointing in different directions, and that's keeping you in a state of paralysis. And so you come up with language like, is it possible? I don't know if it's possible. I don't believe it'll work. It won't work for me. It works for other people. I've tried it. It didn't work. I'm trying. It's not working. You come up with language like that, and what you're really saying to yourself and to the universe is, I don't want it. Look at high flyers. You either really know what you want and you're willing to take the various dimensions of who you are and point them all in the same direction and get what you really want. If you're willing to do that, then you're willing to give up creating impediments. You create impediments, you create walls that stop you from living the life that you desire, from enjoying the life that you desire, from living the love that you desire, the money that you desire, the happiness and health. Now, high flyers, this is important. I want you to write this down. What is possible? What is possible is not your concern. What is possible is not your concern. That's the concern of the universe, of the mind of God, of the infinite field of potential. So you're not to concern yourself with, is it possible or not? That's not your concern. Your concern is to be in harmony with your desires, with your goals, and unlock the wishing tree within you. To go within yourself in that state of perfect harmony, where all 5 dimensions are working in bliss and unison together, and go inside and pick that golden apple, whatever it is you desire. And after you pick one apple, pick another and another and another. To be in harmony, to be in a state of alignment. Look at all of existence, high flyers. All of it is only a sea of vibration. And when you put out a strong, unified, aligned intention into this sea of vibration, all you need to do is let it happen. It's happening. You don't have to concern yourself with how. That's not your job. Your job is to sit back and allow it to happen, or lie back if you want. Once you send a vibration and it's empowered with all 5 dimensions, all 5 parts of you, and you are in harmony with yourself, it will manifest. So high flyers, we've put together a special website designed to help you come into perfect alignment between your conscious mind, what you desire, and your subconscious mind, your beliefs. Visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com and claim your 7 days. Absolutely free. It's a free trial. There's several programs there that you can use. I urge you to use several of them at one time. Use them every night as you fall asleep. Anyway, it's our gift to you. Try it for 7 days. Let me know what you think. You have a great day. Enjoy the wishing tree because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye.